Hello lovelies! I am so excited because today we get to unbox this Drossel Charming Chogokin, and that is just one of those little ash things. I got super lucky and a friend of mine had one of these. I absolutely had to have it. Okay, I didn't really have to have it, but you know what I'm saying, like I had to have it. So let's dig right in. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I just really love Drossel Charming so very much. I'm gonna set that to the side. Look at all these little fun pieces that I'm gonna have to play with. And here is her very beautiful little flower that she always has with her. This is huge. Wow, this is like really big. I didn't expect this to be so big. And then these are the additional pieces. I believe this is part of the additional piece, or is this a stand? I'm pretty sure it's both. This looks like it's going to act as the stand, but it's also sort of a piece to the tripod. She can go into a tripod. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the show, but it's really adorable when she turns into a tripod and just like scoot boots all over the place. Let's have a look here. Yeah, so that looks like... Wait. Yo no sé. Oh yeah, no, this is actually, yep, this is just straight up part of the stand. So that is useful information. It shows right here on the side. So I'm just going to put all this over here. These are, I don't know what, I remember these in the show. I don't know if they're actually like functional. Oh, they are. They're squeezy squeeze. They have squeezies. See? They squeeze. Oh, nice. And then it has, oh, wow. It has her other head too. Does this, do the glasses come off? I can't tell if the glasses come out or if they're like attached, and am I gonna, you know me, I always end up breaking stuff because I'm like, oh, I have to know if it comes out. These look like they would come out if I trusted myself enough to try and get them out. I want to know. I need to know. No, they don't. They're like attached. So yeah, don't force it out because they don't. Oh, okay, cool. And then these little pieces also open and close. Okay. Yeah, they can kind of come out a little bit, like to adjust them, it looks like. Just a little bit. Her eyes do not light up like the Nendoroids do, I'm assuming, because I don't see any sort of switch for that kind of function. So I'm going to assume they don't light up. These are actually the two little pieces that I was talking about for whenever she goes into her little tripod mode, which they show you on the back of the box here. Isn't that adorable? You should see it in the show. I love when she goes into her little tripod mode. She just like zoops all over the place. And then this is the stand. Oh wow, yeah, this stand is really, this is a chonky boy. There's a button on here, and I don't know what the button do. What the button do? What the button do? I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't see any information inside about what the button do. So maybe I can look it up online or something. This looks interesting. This is like real robotic. Little techno. Maybe it's supposed to make noise or something. I might have to replace the batteries. There is a little reset button here. And she has her little, just take a look at some of these other little pieces here. A little swishy swish. Gotta have the swish swish. And then we also have a few different hands. The hands are not jointed, so it actually has multiple hands for like different poses and stuff. So we've got the little hand where the fingers are just splayed out, and then we have like our sort of little piecey fingers. 2 fingers out on both sides. Sort of like that sort of position there. We've got a fist. And then we have sort of like, oh, okay, these are probably grippy hands for her little weapon there. That's another little grippy hand. And then this is just like an interesting sort of like position. And then now we can actually take a look at her. Wow, she is quite weighty. Very weighty indeed. And this is, of course, jointed. Oh, this is jointed too. Very cool. Oh, I love her so my gosh. Once you have her in your hand, it is just a completely different feeling. Oh, she's so beautiful. And I actually have a really pretty little case that I'm going to end up putting her in. She is like really bottom heavy. Oh my gosh. There's like a lot of weight from the waist down. Her legs are super heavy. I don't know if there is a functional reason why it's like that. She's quite posable. Oh, that's a really cute little, oh, look at that little position. I like that. She is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love her so much. I almost don't want to put her in a case. I kind of just want to have her sitting on my desk like this. Okay. Well, oh yeah, this is like, I don't know what they've done in this part, but there's a lot of really nice weight there. It's so weird having a Drossel Charming that is this big, because my other Drossel figures are like half the size, since they're Nendoroid dolls. Or just Nendoroid, sorry, they aren't Nendoroid dolls, they're just regular Nendoroids. But why don't we go ahead and take a look at what some different hands look like. Even the arms have some really good weight. They're little ball joints, really similar to the type of joints that you actually see on Nendoroids. I'm a big fan, personally, of the piece hand, so why don't we go ahead and do a little piece hand. I always get so nervous putting things on ball joints like this, though. So I know I don't have the most steady hand. Did I put that on the wrong hand? I did. That is not the... Let's try that again. That goes on this one. I even tried to figure it out in my head before I put it on there, and I still did it backwards. It almost seems like there's a right way to do this. Like it's not a completely square joint. It's more of like a rectangle. Wow, she is so heavy. I can't get over how heavy she is. So there we go. We got our 2 little piece fingers. And then how about that wouldn't be the right hand to do. I think that would be this hand. There we go. Why don't we do this one on the other side? Yeah, so the joints are like it's not a round end or a square end, it's actually rectangular. There we go, that pops right on. So maybe we could do something like that. And I was kind of thinking of having her holding this like in a sort of like I don't have a sword, you have a sword. Who would have a sword? Not me. Oh, she's so beautiful. I can't wait to put her on display. Thank you so much once again to my friend who was willing to sell her to me. I adore her. I am absolutely going to display her in pride of place in my home. I can't wait to see her every single day. I've waited this long to do the unboxing video, so now I get to actually play with her. I hope to bring you more unboxing videos. They are my favorite videos to put together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a super amazing day. I know thanks to all of you, I am going to have a super amazing day.